FAWTV is back on JD Welsh Cup duty. We're here at the top of the Rhondda, where we're going to catch up with Rob Griffiths from Blaenrhondda AFC, who played Garden Village in the first round of the competition this weekend. Blaenrhondda Park is situated in between the Rhegos Mountain Road and Pen Pich, and we've certainly picked the right day to visit Blaenrhondda in glorious sunshine. So I'm joined now by Rob Griffiths, the chairman, etc. of Blaenrhondda Football Club. Rob, it's a big game. Every Welsh Cup game is a big match. Is the club looking forward to its visit to Garden Village?
Yes, it's one of the opportunities to step back into the big time. Everybody in the playing staff and the management are looking forward to the opportunity of pitching themselves against better players with a better set of facilities. The plan, realistically, is to ultimately achieve its status back in the Welsh League and hope to present ourselves as well as we can there and maybe First Division in the Welsh League, hopefully.
The Welsh Cup is a perfect vehicle for that, to show all those sort of key stakeholders, you know, what the club is capable of, and you know that it can play at this level. Yeah,
and not only that, but it also gives local lads the opportunity to play in the FA Cup equivalent in Wales. People undervalue the Welsh Cup, I think, to be honest, as just being a competition really for Welsh League and League of Wales sides. But it's so much more in the sides of our level, and when we were in the Rhondda League, we were still applying to compete at this level, to be honest. So I would like to think we show some ambition. In recent history, Porth, Cambrian and Penydarren last year, to be honest, have achieved significant successes in this competition. Tomorrow is another stepping stone, and Saturday night, hopefully we celebrate maybe going into the draw on Monday. The background group that run this club alongside me, to be absolutely honest, is pretty limited in its numbers. We can always do with people wishing to lend a hand and help the club through those times. That would be fantastic. Saturdays, as preparation for a home game anyway, let's say that, is normally nets, flags, tea, preparation for the ref, clean the dressing rooms, preparation for the trainer, the team, hang the kits, and then linesmen doing the game at our level.
Well, we wish you the very best of luck against Garden Village, and fingers crossed it in the next round. Thanks for allowing us to come up to this incredibly picturesque football ground.
Okay, not a problem. Thank you very much for your time. And hopefully, as I said, we'll be in the draw on Monday.
So while Blaenrhondda travel out of the valleys to play Garden Village in JD Welsh Cup Round 1, there's still plenty of cup action here in the Rhondda itself, as Tom Pentre take on Pencoed Athletic here at Ynys Park, where the South Wales Alliance Premier Division club will be hoping to spring a surprise. And Cambrian and Clydachvale play Port Talbot in an all Division 1 fair here at the M&P Group 3G Stadium. So the clubs of the Rhondda are excited for JD Welsh Cup Round 1, and there's exciting fixtures right across the country. Head on over to faw.cymru to find a fixture that's near you, and also read a preview as we go to Britain Ferry Llan Sawel as they look forward to their Round 1 tie.